Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. It's Angelique. Today I will be filming a get ready with me and also a first impressions for some new products that I bought. So if you would like to see how I got this look that you see here, just please stay tuned. I'm going to clean my eyebrows up with my new concealer, which is the Fenty Beauty Concealer. I couldn't wait to try this, and I tried to wait to film a video, but I'm telling you, it was burning in my makeup cabinet because it is beautiful. But one thing I'm gonna do today that I haven't tried is I'm gonna conceal my eyebrows with it, and I usually like to conceal my eyebrows with like something a little darker, so I'm just gonna take a little of that on the back of my hand, and I'm gonna clean these browsies up. Okay, and the eyebrows are cool. I'm gonna go into, I'm gonna start with the eye. I'm gonna take the rest of that concealer because I want to try this new eyeshadow palette out. That's what it looks like. Let me take the film off actually. That's what it looks like. Aha! That's what it looks like. Really pretty colors. Let's get into these new brushes that I got. I got some Real Techniques brushes, a base brush. I'm guessing this is like it's a powder brush. I'm gonna use this to dust the powder off my face. And then I got a foundation brush. I'm not really I never really used brushes for my foundation. I have before, and I did like it. I just usually go for the beauty blender. I feel like the beauty blender is like super easy and quicker. Yeah, this is a foundation brush that I got. I just needed a really big powder brush, and they were buy one get one free, so I got this really pretty orange one. And those are gonna use for my face. Let's set those there. And these are gonna use for my eyes. Actually, this is for the highlighter. I got a highlighter brush because the one I've been using, I've been like killing, and I wanted to try this one. It has the same shape though. I originally used the M501. Okay, how do you open this? There's like no sticker part. So, okay, I got this brush for highlighter. It is the Morphe M510 brush. Can you see that? Same kind of dome shape to it. I just feel like the other one needed a break, and I just wanted to try something new. So I'm gonna use this for highlighter. The M532. Can you see that? M532. I needed a new blending brush, and it just looks like it was really nice. I feel like I don't have many eyeshadow brushes. See, this is the only one that's in some decent packaging. Or are you? Okay. The only one. The other two were stupid. And I also got a smaller angle blending brush just to like get really deep in my crease. And I'm going to be trying these two out. I'm going to be using these two for my look today. I want to do something neutral and brown, like I said. And I'm going to start out with, a nice good base. I think I'm going to start out with this one right here. It's called Rock Out. I'm going to just put this in my crease. Oh. See where I go with that, you know? Okay, then I'm gonna go into this Stone Fox. It's kind of like the same color, a little bit more orangey. Go to this Stone Fox. And kind of like, okay, now I'm gonna take this small brush right here, and I'm gonna go into Chocolate Diamond. This one right there. This is kind of like a little crease brush. I'm gonna go deep in my crease. Deep in my crease. That's pretty. Don't play. Don't play. My computer be trying to like go to sleep on it. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. Now I'm gonna go in with this one right here. Let me see how it looks on my finger. Let's see. So I went in with this one, Flex. This last one, Flex. And I put it all on the lid. It's really pretty too. I also want to try this hidden gem. Like, is it really as sparkly as it looks? Let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna put some on my lid too. Sometimes your fingers are like this one right here, hidden gem. Sometimes your fingers are like your best tools, honestly. Just dotting that like in the center because it's kind of sparkly. I'm putting some of the Purple Rain in my inner corner right here. And then I'm going to put some of this rose quartz up top. Actually, I'll just put some of the Purple Rain up there. That's pretty on the brow bone. Real talk. That's actually beautiful on the brow bone. Wow. Some of the stuff isn't new, so I'm just going to like speed through that really quick. I use my color corrector, some color correct, beauty blender to blend all this out. I recently just started using the real beauty blender, not the knockoff ones from the beauty supply. And I'm telling you, real shit pays off. It really speeds up my makeup process, honestly. It blends really fast. I'm starting with my concealer first, which I never really do, but then I realized it's so much easier to blend when you put your concealer on first and you don't have to use much more foundation. That's what I noticed. So I'm going to start out with my concealer. And I'm just going to dab where that would usually go. Put it on how everybody's been putting it on in these videos. This is super full coverage too, so it's like when I use this, foundation is like, I barely even need foundation. I'm in the color 360. My foundation is 370 though. And I could have went 370, but I just really, I like a brighter under eye, you know? Okay, so yeah, this concealer is definitely a part of my everyday routine now. I really, really, really enjoy putting this on my face. Oh, whoa. So as you can see, it's so full coverage. It's like I barely even need any foundation. And as for foundation, I got this recently from TJ Maxx. They keep really high quality makeup for really cheap prices. And I got this Becca foundation for like 10 bucks. And it's called the Luminous Perfecting Foundation. Okay, so I'm actually in the color Dark Golden for the Becca foundation. So I'm going to take some on the back of my hand here. And I like to dip my beauty blender in it. And I just kind of go wherever the concealer is not, you know? And I feel like it just makes everything just blend better. So yeah, sometimes I'll put it kind of over just to blend everything. This foundation photographs like really well too. It doesn't photograph as well as my Stila, but it's cool. My Stila photographs really, really well. Like, woo, whole new face. Okay, that looks good enough to me. Watch me find something on camera like, I am laying by my ears. Ah. Using my new Fenty Beauty Stunner Lip Paint in Unveil. And I'm going to line my lips with brown first. Okay, now I'm going to take my brown lip. What a cute eye look, right? Okay. Okay, so I went ahead and put on some lashes. These are Kiss and Demi Wispies. This is my completed look. If you guys like these types of videos, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And make sure that you comment down below something sweet because it's almost Valentine's Day. So, yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.